Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you another nice feature I found in Filmora 14. It's called Smart Scene Cat. Okay, I'm using Windows. That's why I found this guide for Windows users. Okay, but also they are also available for the Mac users. That's no problem at all. But when it comes to the feature itself, okay, so what it does actually, it takes your video and it's actually cutting this video and it's into the smaller pieces. Okay, so using the AI, okay, they intelligently trying to establish what's the most important pieces of your video are, and they are just cutting them out into this shorter videos, okay, where you can put them all together into the one long video, like for example, you can do the highlight video out of your long form content. So, for example, you can go ahead and create a video for YouTube, and then you want to out of that video you want to create I don't know, YouTube Shorts, for example, or TikTok. Okay, so this is something which will actually gives you a nice advantage. Okay, will give you it will help you out with in creation of it. Okay, so the steps are okay. I already done something. Okay, here I will be showing you now in a minute how it's been done it on my one of my videos, but I just want to go quickly through this to this uh, help like a guide, on how to do it. Okay, so basically, first you need to change the aspect ratio. Okay, then you just need to go and click Smart Scene Cat. Okay, and once it's there, you will be import. You just have to import the video, obviously, whichever you want to use, and then right click and Smart Scene Cat. You'll be using. Okay, and then after that, the process will begin automatically. After a while, depends how long your video is. Okay, you will see the final product just like that. Okay, and this final product can be cut into the pieces by yourself. You can edit them the way you like it. Okay, and then after that, like highlight scenes. This can help intelligently capture highlight scenes. You can select the segments you find impressive and add them to the timeline for further editing and the main track. Okay, so whatever you find, like okay, I want this particular portion of this video, I want this added into the highlight. Perfect, you can do it. Okay, and character scene, this can smartly extract highlights based on character scenes and emphasize key segments. Okay, so basically, let's say that you will find this person, and the AI will automatically will find this particular character inside your video, and will take all the video pieces where this person is actually appearing, and we'll put that together as a highlight. Okay, I think it's a great option. Okay, you can custom object. You can also capture custom elements you want in your video. Filmora will track the relevant fragments from the entire video. There you go. If you want to, for example, this particular one, you want to go and highlight this object, or the person, the AI will actually will follow this person, all the way through the length of your video. Okay, I think it's amazing. What those days you can do. Otherwise, you will have to go one by one, scene by scene, and do it yourself. Now you can do it easily with this Smart Scene Cat. Okay, feature in Filmora. Okay, there you go. I'll show you now how it's looking. Okay, so there is a final product. Okay, so I done it. So I put this inside the Smart Thing Cat. Okay, feature. It took about a minute or two. They analyze the video, put me whatever they feel like it's gonna be, the highlights there, and I can actually what I can do, and for example, I want to add this particular part into the highlight into the scene. Perfect, you can do it, and then you can move on and you can do it yourself. You can do this absolutely amazing. You can do it either using the AI, or you can do it your own, but the way you like it. Okay, once you're ready, you want those pieces are all what you want to appear on this, let's say, short or TikTok video. Okay, you can click edit in the main timeline, and and that this will all appear here. And there we go. Everything what needs to be done here will appear automatically, and then you can start editing the way you usually do. Okay, guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I'll be leaving the link to Filmora so you can go and test it yourselves. And if you have any comments, just leave it down below. Thank you very much for watching.